Sa mga dalaga dyan na hindi pa nagkaka-boyfriend at wala pang experience sa bingbangan, pumila na kayo at magpalista. Willing akong pagbigyan kayo na makasiping ng isang gabi. Swerte kayo at kahit may asawa na ako at ang papangit nyo, papatulan ko pa rin kayo. Isang gabi sa kama kapalit ng inyong mga boto.
Makabastos naman nitong politikong ito, attorney. Wala bang pwedeng ikaso sa kandidatong ito?
Hello there, this is Attorney Andrew. The Commission on Elections or COMELEC has made gender-based harassment as an election offense under COMELEC Resolution No. 11116, promulgated February 19, 2025. Under Section 3 of this resolution, any person who, directly or indirectly commits acts of gender harassment during the election period shall be liable for an election offense pursuant to Section 13 of Republic Act No. 9006 and Section 261 Paragraph E of the Omnibus Election Code and other pertinent laws, rules and regulations. This violation shall be punished with imprisonment of not less than 1 year but not more than 6 years and shall not be subject to probation. In addition, the guilty party shall be sentenced to suffer disqualification to hold public office and deprivation of the right of suffrage. Under Section 2 Paragraph I, gender-based harassment shall refer to any unwanted and uninvited sexual actions or remarks against any person regardless of the motive, whether in person or online, broadcast or in print, during the election period, for any election-related activity including but not limited to campaign activities. This includes catcalling, wolf whistling, unwanted invitations, misogynistic, transphobic, homophobic and sexist slurs, the persistent telling of sexual jokes, use of sexual names and any acts of advances, whether verbal or physical, that are unwanted and have threatened one's sense of personal space and physical safety including cursing, leering and intrusive gazing and taunting. In addition, he could be made liable under Republic Act No. 11313 or the Safe Spaces Act, which penalizes acts such as cursing, wolf whistling, catcalling, leering and intrusive gazing, taunting, pursing, unwanted invitations, misogynistic, transphobic, homophobic, and sexist slurs, persistent unwanted comments on one's appearance, relentless requests for one's personal details such as name, contact and social media details or destination, the use of words, gestures, or actions that ridicule. On the basis of sex, gender, or sexual orientation, identity and/or expression including sexist, homophobic, and transphobic statements and slurs, the persistent telling of sexual jokes, use of sexual names, comments and demands, and any statement that has made an invasion on a person's personal space or threatens the person's sense of personal safety. He could be punished with a maximum penalty of imprisonment of 11 to 30 days and a fine of 10,000 pesos.